So in this session, we will discuss about constraints. What are the constraints? Null constraints. That means if you specify some condition for a column, then whenever you are going to insert the records into that column, if that record will satisfy the condition, then only it will be inserted. Otherwise, it will not be inserted. So that is constraint. So it will specifies the rules. So what type of constructions available in database? Not null, unique, check, primary key, foreign key. Okay. So before that, we need to create employee and department table. So that table script is available in Google. So employee and department table in PostgreSQL. Yes. So this is the department table and employee table. And go to this here, open in query tool, paste it here. So here I want only employee and department table. I don't want other tables like bonus and sal grade for now. So delete it. And execute it and expand this public and tables. We have employee table, view all records. So we have 14 records in EMP table, and dummy table it is not required. You can delete it and go to this view all records. Yes. So here 4 records are available in DEPT table, and observe this in employee table. We have employee number, e-name, job, MGR, high date, sal, commission, department number. Okay. In department table, we have department number, D-name, location, and there is a common column or mapping column between these two tables that is called DEPT number. Okay. So here, if you take DEPT number from department like 10 and go to this, you can get how many records under the DEPT number of 10. Okay. So now I am going to open the properties of EMP table. Okay. So first constraint is not null constraint. So not null constraint means the column should not be null, not null. Okay. Should not be null. So here go to the columns and employee number. See this, not null. By default it is not null. If you put not null disable, then what will happen means it will allow to insert the null values under the EMP number. Okay, we will check it. And go to this query tool and insert into emp of ename. I am going to insert one employee name or DEPT number. Okay, DEPT number values 30. See, and go to this, execute again employee table. So 30 record has been inserted. Okay, under the employee number column it is null. Okay, now I am going to the properties of emp table and make this employee number as not null. Then see, column employee number of relation employee contains null values. Okay, so now it is not possible to create null value not null constraint on employee number. Okay, so you just go through this and delete that not null value where emp number is null. Execute it and again go to the properties of table and here you make it as not null. Okay, now try to insert. See, null value in the column employee number of relation employee violates not null constraint. Okay, so why? Because already we have mentioned that emp number should not be null. Okay, if you are trying to insert null value into the emp number, then it will throw some exception like this. So that is about not null constraint. Next one is unique. Unique means go to the properties of emp table and columns or constraints. Okay, unique, and add one constraint that is called emp underscore emp number. Okay, and press this edit row and go to the definition and column. I am going to generate unique key of employee number in employee table. Okay, unique key means it will not allow duplicates. Okay, so suppose if you are trying to insert, wait a minute, I am going to remove this not null constraint. Now execute it. One record has been inserted. Now check this. So that record has been inserted on 15th position. Again, if you are trying to insert, one more record has been inserted. Okay, so here now I am giving employee number which was already there, 7839. Okay, 7839, and you can remove this department number. Okay, department number is constraint was there on department number in emp table. For this you can mention department number as 30, no problem. So execute it. See, duplicate key value violates unique key constraint. Why? Because we have generated unique key on employee number in employee table and trying to insert existing employee number 7839, so that exception came. So duplicate value, it is not allowed due to this constraint name of this one, which we have given earlier. Okay, and check. Check constraint means you can write the logic to check the value based on the expression. Okay, so go to the properties of employee table and constraint check. Here I am giving check constraint name underscore sal. Okay, press this button and go to the definition, and here, so I don't want to insert the salary which is greater than or equal greater than 3000. Okay, so here I am representing some expression salary less than or equal to 30. Okay, so if you are trying to insert the salary which is greater than 3000, then it will not allow to insert. I am mentioning here salary column, and I am trying to insert 3001, and here employee number I am changing, or you can remove it. See this employee table violates check constraint. Why? Because you have given check constraint. That means salary should be less than or equal to 3000. If you are trying to insert 3001 or salary greater than or equal to greater than 3000, then it will throw the exception. Okay, so next one, primary key and foreign key. So primary key and foreign key are the keys which is used to establish the relationship between two tables. Okay, so here I am going to the department table properties and columns. See, make it as primary key. Save, and I am writing one query. Insert into DEPT number values, and here DEPT make disabling null. Okay, see, column department is in a primary key. Okay, so primary key means it will not allow not null values. So cannot execute an empty query. Okay, close it. Now check it. Columns. Okay, so whenever we create a primary key on a column, so it will not allow null values and duplicate values. So go to the employee table. Here in DEPT table, we have primary key on department number, and go to this employee table constraint, create foreign key. So here I am going to create foreign key DEPT number and edit. Go to the definition columns. Here local column. So in this table, on which column you want to create foreign key? I am going to create foreign key on DEPT number, and that refers to which table? Department table, and which column? Department number. Okay, so here click on add, then you can able to see details. So local column, that means this is the employee table. In this employee table, on which column you are going to create foreign key? Department table, department number, and to which table you are going to establish the parent and child table relationship? Department number and department table. So on which column in department table you are going to create primary key? So department number. So save it. Now if you are trying to insert, see, observe this, how many department numbers are available in department table? 4, 10, 20, 30, 40. If you are trying to insert 50 department number in employee table, and we have one salary constraint, so I am giving 3000 only. Okay, if you are trying to insert this record, it won't be inserted. Why? Because the department number 50, it is not available in department table. That's why it will throw exception. See this. EMP violates foreign key constraint. Okay. So foreign key means it will show how to define the foreign key constraint when creating a new table or add foreign key constraints for existing table. Okay. So see, simple logic. Parent table is better to explain in Notepad. So parent table, DEPT table. Okay. And in this parent table only, if you generate primary key on particular column, okay, so this is the department number is the primary key column. Okay, and child table in this example we have taken as EMP table. In child table, foreign key will be there. On which column foreign key is there? Department number. Okay, if you establish this type of connection between two tables, then whenever you are trying to insert one department number into employee table, but the department number is not available in parent table of DPT, then it will throw the exception like this. So 50 is not available in DPT table, so you are trying to insert means it will throw exception, it will not allow. Suppose if you are trying to insert with 40 which is available in EMP table, then you will not get any error. Okay, so this is about primary key and foreign key. So foreign key is nothing but you will generate one key which refers to the primary key of parent table. Okay, so like this is called child table or foreign key table. Okay, so one parent table can have many child tables. Okay, so this is about constraints.